kitchen. Today we'll be doing chicken satay. So here I have 1 kilo of chicken thighs that I have cut into 2 cm pieces, and then here I have 30 bamboo skewers that I've soaked overnight. So the chicken thighs I have already marinated overnight with a spice paste that is made up of 3 shallots, but my shallots are pretty big, so it is equivalent to about 110 grams. 4 cloves of garlic that peeled and roughly chopped. 2 cm of galangal that I have roughly chopped up. 1 tablespoon of minced lemongrass. 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Half a tablespoon of chili powder. Half a tablespoon of coriander powder. 2 teaspoons of brown sugar. Half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, which I have put all of them together into a food processor and blended it together until it becomes a paste, a spice paste that I have marinated with these chicken thighs and kept in the fridge overnight. So now we will thread the skewers with the chicken thighs like this. Now I have completed doing threading the chicken onto the skewer. So now we will cook them. Since my grill is not working, I'm going to cook the chicken skewers in this pan. So I put a little bit of oil, about 2 tablespoons of oil. Then once the cooking oil has heated up, you can put in the skewers. So I'm going to stir for about 2 minutes before we turn it over. After 3 minutes, we will flip it over. And do not touch it for another 3 minutes. That's it. And remove them. in the next step. Turn it over. Cook for another 2 minutes on this other side. You can remove them.